Cash flow forecast. What is it and why is it important? Let's talk about that. As with many things, sometimes it's helpful to look at what something is not in order to better define what it is. So cash is not the same as profit. If you say that your business is profitable, that does not necessarily mean that you're in a healthy or a positive cash position. Why not? Well, a business's profit is defined as total revenue less total expenses. What it doesn't account for, though, is how much of that revenue has been collected in cash and how much of those expenses has been paid out in cash. So you could show $10,000 in revenue for a given month, but perhaps only have collected $7,500 of that total revenue. That's the key difference between profit and cash. So then we start talking about cash inflows, and you may have heard this term. This is the cash that's actually coming in to your business in a given month, cash you're actually collecting. So it could be cash collected from current month sales. It could be cash collected on prior month accounts receivable balances. It could be refunds that you receive. It could be loan proceeds that you receive. On the flip side, cash outflows are when your business is actually making a cash payment for things like payroll, rent, utilities, software solutions, acquiring an asset, loan payments, things like that. It could also be credit card payments, or if you're making a payment on a past purchase and you need to pay a cash amount on a given month, that's a cash outflow for that current month. So when you hear the term net cash flow, what that represents is the total of all the cash inflows for a given period minus the total of all the cash outflows for that same period. So then the next step is, once we understand the concept of a net cash flow in a given period, we can use that information to make cash flow forecasts for future periods. So we can make predictions, we can make estimates, and it will help us to see a cash flow, positive or negative, what that cash flow will look like on any given month going forward. Preparing cash flow forecasts come with a whole host of benefits. These are just some of them. You'll be able to make informed decisions. You'll be able to analyze trends better, plan for dips, and it will help expose problems and issues that you may not have otherwise noticed when simply looking at your profit and loss statements. So cash flow forecasting is a really valuable tool for your business. Sign up so that I can send you a link of a free template to help you with this.